Hi, welcome back. So in this video, we will be designing the UI part of the sale fragment, brand fragment, and product detail fragment. So first we will start with the fragment sale screen. So for this screen, what we will do, we will copy and paste the logic, okay? And I will explain you what I will do in this UI logic. So I have used a relative layout and then we have used a linear layout. So this linear layout is basically the loading behavior which will show the progress bar and loading text. And then we have used content layout. So whatever content will appear in this screen will show by this linear layout. And then we have used toolbar along with back button and sale text. So now for back button, I will add a resource back CTA. All right. So this back button we have added here. You can see, right? Now we have done the toolbar and then we have used another linear layout which contains the recycler view. So this recycler view is a vertical recycler view which we are using here. And then we have used a swipe refresh layout. So whenever user swipe down to refresh, whatever the sale item will appear here will be refreshed. And suppose if user select any brand, so based on that, if that particular brand doesn't have any product, so we will show this text view, right? And this recycler view will show the product based on the sale discounted price. Okay, so for that I will add a item sale which will show the product with a discounted price. So here what I will do, so what I did here, I just copy and paste the logic to show the discounted price in the sale fragment. Okay, so for that I have to use one more resource that will show the background of the discount. So I will add it here. So this is basically we are using the shape which is solid in color in red, and radius we have using 8 dp, basically the corners. Okay, now see, we are getting the discounted price here, right? Now coming to the fragment cell, now we can see vertical brands and products. All right, now we have completed our UI part. I will show you this UI which we are using for the fragment cell. You can pause the video and take the logic. Similarly for card view. All right. Now coming to the another screen, that is a brand. Similar way we are using the logic for toolbar, right, under the relative layout, and then in another linear layout what we are doing, we are using the swipe refresh layout along with the recycler view which contain the item product in a recycler view, right? And outside the content layout what we are doing, we are using the loading layout behavior which contain the progress bar and the text. Whenever it is failing to load the content, it will show this text view no product message. All right, now we have completed the fragment brand UI logic also. Now coming to the product detail fragment. So here we also just copy and paste the logic for the product detail fragment. Now I will explain you. All right, so here we are using the constraint layout. Under constraint layout, we are using toolbar that contains the image back button and the brand title. And then we have used view pager in below of the toolbar. Okay, and the height we have set this view pager to 300 dp. So this view pager is basically a slider in which user can see the multiple images of the product. And this dot indicator will show the position of the selected image. And then we will show the product name, then product price with the text view, and then we show the product rating, and here we are using the size. So here we are using this size of the shoe with the help of the chip group. Okay. And then here we are using the TV description. It will show the overview or description of the product basically. And then we have a buy now CTA. When user click on buy now, they will navigate to the shopping cart screen. So these are the UI element of the product detail fragment. You can take the reference. Okay. So that's it for today. We will see you in the next video in which we will connect this UI to the particular logic.